First Alert Weather.
Hey, folks, and welcome back. Start things off with the radar for tonight. Southern Pine Electric radar showing the couple of showers we had a little earlier. Done. For the rest of this evening, I think we'll remain dry. We'll zoom it back out. And the reason that we've been dealing with this kind of summertimey flow is winds out of the south of the Gulf of Mexico at the surface mean that we're pumping the area full of Gulf moisture. Well, you get enough daytime heat from the sun as we move our way through spring, and you've got enough to bubble up some clouds, and eventually you get into some showers and thunderstorms. But I know what you're thinking. You're going, Nick, that's great. I'm looking at this satellite. This doesn't mean diddly to me. It just looks like somebody sneezed on a black sheet of paper. I'll tell you what, though, it's going to mean a lot more when we look at this GOES 16 data from the folks at the College of DuPage Meteorology. You can get a way better view. It's like I was laughing the other day. Number one or number two. It's like going from no glasses to glasses or contacts. You just get a much better view. Even some forest fires down here, brush fires. But you can see that we've got the bubbling of the clouds right along the Gulf, and they just drift off to the north. That's why we get those showers to develop. The other interesting thing that you can see in here is not only do we have winds at the surface, which are pushing some of these clouds off to the north, but we also have clouds that are moving back off to the east. That's a change in wind direction and speed with height, and that usually offers us a chance for some severe weather when it's a little more organized, which is why as we head through the next couple of days, what you see back here is going to meet up with some more stuff that's back there, and that's going to give us that opportunity for some severe weather as we head toward the weekend, that change in wind speed and direction with height as we get a system that moves on through. All right, so what does it look like to you? Well, rain chances for the next couple of days, they're with us Wednesday, Thursday, into Friday. This is all your run-of-the-mill Mississippi thunderstorms in the afternoon, that 10 to 20% chance where you just say, okay, well, good, I had the umbrella in the back seat, I'm covered. The difference shows up, or the change, I should say, shows up on Saturday with a cold front that sweeps through. This is going to be in the afternoon, evening, and into the overnight hours. You got Saturday morning plans, you're fine. It's a Saturday afternoon, evening, overnight. As this pushes through, what we're going to end up with is that change in wind direction. See the arrows coming from the south, switching back around to the west. In the morning, wind's pretty light. We don't have too much to worry about. It's into the afternoon that they speed up a little bit. We've also got 82 degrees over 10. That's a ton of instability. That's enough for thunderstorms to develop. I will say this, all of that being said, we still just have a raised eyebrow. 3.05 on the Cary stressometer, so we're doing okay. We're not even concerned yet. We're just kind of keeping an eye on things as we head through the next couple of days. And you can too. All you got to do is download the WDAM First Alert Weather app, or you can always catch us on TV at night. Here's a look at the next 7 days very graphically for you. 80s for the next few days, mid to upper 80s. Cary, it's going to feel like more late May than mid-April. Then it starts to feel like mid-March as opposed to mid-April with just 72 degrees back and behind that cold front and that opportunity for some severe weather. Now, right now, Cary, I will say this, rain, wind, and hail, the main concerns for Saturday. While a tornado can't be ruled out, we just don't have things lined up for tornadoes as it appears at this moment.
Very good news. All right, thank you so much, Nick. And still ahead, the sign and